First Alert Weather with meteorologist Zack Fradella.
All the talk is about the northeastern blizzard, that is for sure. Look at this thing on visible satellite. This is the daylight picture, and it's one of the coolest pictures you can get when you get one of these intense aerial low pressure. And look at it just spinning off the eastern seaboard. It's not moving much. That's the problem. So it's just bringing all of this moisture from the Atlantic, sending it into the cold air across the northeast. And, well, what do you get? You get a lot of snow. And they're getting a lot of snow, up to 3 feet in some spots of snow. Back home, we're on the nice side of the storm system. We're getting that northwesterly flow. We have the dry air in place. That allows for those clear, sunshiny skies. And that's going to continue into tonight. At least not the sun. The sun's going away, unfortunately. It's going below the horizon. But the clear skies and also the calm winds. Look at that lake. That lake is flat at this time. It's really been flat throughout much of today. We've had a little bit of wind, but not the wind that we saw the past few days. So you know what that means. We're going very low for overnight tonight. Another freeze across the entire area is expected. Here's the temperatures because we're already starting to fall, but you can see how it's colder to our north and east just from looking at the map. It's bluer over there. The cold air is trying to move out, but it hasn't moved out far enough that we're not going to deal with freezing temperatures tonight. 55 with Vernon, Iowa. He called me the earliest, while some of the ones that called me the latest, Charles Frugier and DeRitter at 44, and Kent Walter and Vinton at 49. Trust me, that 55 is no more in Iowa. Definitely, he's already in the 40s. And this is what we're forecasting for overnight tonight. Northern locations, get ready. 20s are expected, but this is sort of common. We've had the 20s multiple times this winter. This is going to be another light freeze. No pipe worries yet again. This is going to be something that we're used to. Probably a lot of frost first thing tomorrow morning, so get ready for that. You're probably going to have to bring those plants inside or make sure they're protected. You should kind of keep them protected throughout, the next month or so. Even in and around Lafayette, we're expecting freezing temperatures, and it might be a little bit colder off to our east because, like I said, that's where the cold air still is, and it's slowly moving out. Calling for a low right around 30 in Lafayette, 32 in Lake Arthur. Lake Charles, same story. Pets, plants, and people, not pipes. We're not talking about pipe busting weather, but this is going to be another light freeze right around 32 degrees, expecting a lot of frost all the way down to the coast. Cameron about 37 first thing tomorrow morning, but you could still get frost when you're talking about temperatures, say, in the middle 30s. High pressure is over us tonight, but it's quickly moving off to our east as we head into Sunday. What's that going to do? The return flow. The Gulf of Mexico is going to open back up, but we're not bringing any rain chances into that forecast for Sunday, but we are bringing some clouds. Expect definitely an increase in clouds, especially as we go into the second half of the day. High temperatures, though, back into the 60s. So we're going to start to warm things up. After that frigid start, things will definitely be much warmer by the afternoon. Then Monday, you're heading back to work. We're tracking our next front, and that's going to bring us our next chance of rain. There you go, 40%, but most of that's going to come for the second half of the day, more so Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then Tuesday into Wednesday looks cold and dreary with the clouds hanging around behind that front. That front is not going to be in any rush to get on out of here. So we will have showers. We're not talking about any heavy thunderstorms from Monday through Wednesday, but Monday we're at 72, Tuesday 58, Wednesday 51. A cold, raw middle to this upcoming work week. But then look at next weekend. Looks like we're going to get back into our stretch of sunshine, and we could be in the 70s by next Saturday with a lot of sun. You might enjoy that part.